morning, guys. It's your boy LB Fresh. Finally wake up from my nap. So I'm day 3 walking. I'm still in Vegas. About to head out soon. Nah, we got time. Make sure to smash it. Boy, LB. Right now it's freaking hot. Right now, you gotta make no Arizona. Not Arizona. Look at this view. Let's get it. Let's get it. This is my guy. We just look at this. It's hot right now, guys. Look at this. It's like about 100 something degrees. This is a nice view. Hot. Day 3 road trip. It is nice view.
Yep, day 3 road trip. We're heading out to Grand Canyon, baby.
Let's go. Road continue 3. I'm at Grand Canyon thingy right now, guys. Make sure to smash the like button. You see the wheel? It's good. Make sure to smash the like button. It's a nice wheel. Three, compete. What's good? What's up? I'm walking at the Grand thingy. We taking a lot of picture. That's my bro. Say what's up, Tina. Carl, say what's up, Carl.
Made it to South Rim.
Yes.
Day
Just get it.
3.
We're about to go to a hotel. Let's go. Peace.